Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm going to show you how to make one of my favourite cafe drinks, which is a Mocha Frappe. So I just love that combination of coffee and chocolate. It just goes so well together. And a frappe is, actually it's really good on a hot day because it's just so refreshing, as it's based upon ice. So ice is blended into the mixture to make a really cool, thick and refreshing drink. But the only problem with getting these drinks at cafes is they're usually really high in sugar. So I decided to make my own low sugar version, which I think tastes just as good. And you don't have to worry about getting a high blood sugar afterwards. What I've got here is some ice cubes, but they're made out of coconut cream. So all I did was get a can of coconut cream and put it in some ice cube trays and just freeze it till it's hard. So if you use this instead of just ice, you get a much creamier, richer mixture. And obviously a nice rich flavour as well, and all the benefits of coconut, which is very good for you too, and boosts good cholesterol, and it's very good for your skin, for your hair, for your teeth. It also helps kill bacteria as well. So just about 1.5 cups of coconut cream ice cubes into the blender. That's probably about, I think I've got about the right amount there. So now I'm just going to put almond milk, or you can use any other plant-based milk that you like. So just about a cup of that. And as you see, this almond milk is unsweetened, so it's better to get an unsweetened variety. So now obviously we need some coffee, so I got espresso powder. Put about a tablespoon of this. For our chocolate element, we need cacao powder, so just raw cacao. Let's get a tablespoon of that. And then I'm going to put a teaspoon of vanilla extract to balance out the flavour. And I'm going to sweeten it with some maple syrup. And I found I only need about a teaspoon of that. You actually don't need this to be too sweet. So I'll just put a teaspoon. But of course, if you did prefer a little bit more sweetness, you could add a little more. But try it first with a smaller quantity and see how it is. And that's all. You just have to blend it now. Okay, so there we have it. We have a delicious, cool Mocha Frappe. So I've just made a chocolate rimmed glass, just dipping the glass into some melted chocolate. So just pour that in there. And you can top it off with some whipped coconut cream if you want. And maybe a few chocolate coffee beans. A little sprinkle of grated chocolate. There we have a delicious Mocha Frappe. Just like you'd get in a cafe, but a lot lower in sugar. So a lot better for you. And of course, dairy-free too. So don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.